Hi, it's me again with Corel Drill Tips and Tricks. Somebody asked me what a quicker way to build something like this with a 1 inch top, 12-inch bottom, and 12 1 inch pyramid looking things in there. Uh, Probably the blend tool. Make you a 1 inch, Control D and make a duplicate and make it 12 inches. Now you've got that other one. I'm going to set my nudge factor on 12 inches. I am going to take that longer one and I'm going to nudge it down. So now we've got two. Now, ironically, for 12 spaces, you've already got two. You need 11 blends. That's going to give you 12 individual, which you really don't want to do. You really want to do one more, and I'll show you why in just a second. But the blend tool can, every one of these is perfect because we're 12 inches apart. Now they're, I grabbed the wrong tool, parallel dimension tool. And now these are all 1 inch apart perfectly. So what you could do, take your 2-point line and just make sure you go from node to node. Now at some point, this could leak, unless you're just perfect. And what I said about how many sessions you got or marks you got, most time when I'm building something like this, I would want the top and the bottom have color in them, because this is going to be an empty space that's not 1 inch. So all you'd have to do that would just be to back up and then move this line. Well, this is the blend, so we're going to break the blend apart. Nudge this one up 1 more inch. And then get rid of all these lines. Now this time, they're going to be 1 inch apart, but you're going to have 13. But they're going to be more than 1 inch. I don't know how important the 1 inch is. Maybe we could add and make this 12 and hit apply. Now let's see what our measurement is. And if I'm right, I should be right. Yep, they're 1 inch apart. And then just do the same thing. And what I'm going to show them the difference is, get your 2-point line and go from that node to that node. Because whenever you're making something like this, I would think you'd want them all colored top and bottom. So this way we got a odd amount. So you're gonna have one colored top and bottom. I don't really know what they're doing with it, but let's take away the outline and that's what you get, some sort of pyramid looking thing. So it's 1 inch taller than they were asking for because it's 13 inches tall, where the original was just 12. Anyway, I hope that helped them a little bit. Thank you for watching.